Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So Aimogen just got improved a lot, especially if you are using the Gutenberg editor. So Gutenberg will be able to edit posts in a much better way in the recent update of Aimogen. So let me demonstrate this with a TechCrunch article, and let me actually copy the entire article and paste it in Gutenberg. So let's copy this and paste it in Gutenberg. You will see that Gutenberg will create all these blocks. So these are different Gutenberg blocks for each paragraph. And we can set up Aimogen. So let's publish this and let's set up Aimogen to translate this article. And in the latest update, you will be able to get a high quality editing of Aimogen. So let's go to AI content editor here, and for example, let's enable content rewriting, and let's focus on the post content, not on title, not on excerpt, not on slug. And we will be able to see here that we have enable Gutenberg block support, and this should be set to enable to be sure that the plugin uses the new feature of Gutenberg block editing. Also, you will be able to select which Gutenberg blocks you want the plugin to edit. So this is also a huge feature. You will be able to select paragraph blocks, code blocks, heading, list, preformat, and many other blocks that you want to edit. So for example, if you leave this blank, then the plugin will edit only textual blocks automatically in the Gutenberg editing. So let's select here everything, and we selected everything, and now let's save settings. But before, let me also tweak a bit the instruction. So let's say translate this text to German. So this is everything that I write. Translate this text to German, and let's save. Okay, now we published this article, and we will be able to view it on the front end of our site. It has no title. I added no title to it. And let's process it using Aimogen. For this, click on this button and click process with Aimogen. And now the Gutenberg block editing will kick in, and each block actually will be edited separately if you enable this feature, the enable Gutenberg block support. So each block will be edited separately by the plugin, and this will reduce greatly the error rate when editing Gutenberg blocks with Aimogen. Also, as you saw, you will be able to have these new settings to select which Gutenberg block types should be edited. So if you want to edit only paragraph, then you can do this. Only you can edit only images and add alt tags to images to improve your SEO, and there will be many use cases of this new feature. So go ahead and check it. The processing is still running, and this is because I added here a longer article, but it is finished. So here it is, the new article with same paragraph structure, only it is translated. We can refresh the article here on the front end, and it is German now. Okay. Sorry. So this is the latest update of Aimogen. Go ahead, guys, and check Aimogen in this video description. You will be able to use it, and starting from today, as I said, Gutenberg blocks will be able to be edited with higher precision, more precisely, and you will be able to use this new feature. So if you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. It's appreciated. Bye bye.